Today we will discuss about the sources of data. Sources of data means how we collect the data or which is our source of the collection. So we have two main sources of the data collection known as primary and secondary. In very simple words, we can say first-hand data are the data set collected by the experimenter, by the researcher, by the analyst is known as primary data set. So, in simple words, we can say the first hand data is known as primary, whereas the ready made data set, which are collected by other user, not by ourselves, is known as secondary data set. So, one data set can be primary as well as be secondary. It can be primary for me, for you, but not for the others. It can be secondary for you, but can be primary for me. It can be secondary for me, but can be primary for you. Means the data which you collected by yourself, specifically for your study, specifically for your purpose of research, is known as primary data set. And the data set which we collect from the other sources which are already collected by the some third party is known as secondary data set. Like the examples of primary data set can be observations. You can do the observational survey, you can observe the behavior of some candidates and can fill your responses by observation method. You can do the surveys, you can do the experimentations, you can conduct the personal interviews, you can float the questionnaires. So all these are the sources of primary data set. How we can collect the primary information or the data which is primary, which is known as primary. One more thing here is to note that in primary source of data set, we haven't applied any treatment. This is initial stage of the data set in which we haven't applied any statistical or any other treatment, which is the raw data set which collected by the viewers or by the collectors as it is without applying any treatments. Whereas in secondary data set, we have print forms like you can collect this from any thesis, from any newspapers, any published material, or from any websites like stock exchange websites. You can collect the data set of any shareholders, and similarly we have other websites of the collection of data. So that is the secondary data set which is already published, because that data set have some treatments and is secondary for you for your analysis. If you pick some ready-made data set, that is secondary, and if you collect data set and generate it specifically for your own research, then that is the primary data set. So to make it more clear, we can see this slide as well. Here the data collector is the one using the data for analysis. So this is important to note that the data collector, who is he? He is the one using the data for analysis. Why? Data for a political surveys, or it might be data collected from an experiment or by observational methods. So this is the data collector. And who is the data collector? Data collector is the one using the data for analysis from political surveys, data collected from an experiment or observational method. Whereas in secondary data, the person performing data analysis is not the data collector. Now see the difference. In primary source, the person is data collector. Whereas in secondary source, the person performing data analysis means that is not the data collector. In this, the data collector is someone else, but the person who is performing data analysis is not the data collector. So this is the secondary source. Like analyzing census data examining data from print journals or data published on the internet. So, sources of data fall into four categories like data distributed by an organization or an individual, and second, it falls a designed experiment, and thirdly, we can categorize it as surveys, and finally, an observational study. So we can say the sources of data can fall into four major categories, and these categories as data distributed by any individual or by any firm or by any organization or by any site, and second, designed experiment. The by the experimentations are a survey which mostly census organizations conduct. We can conduct for our researches, for our thesis, for our study. We can make the questionnaires on this, that is belonging to the survey. An observational study. In observational study, our main focus is to observe the attitude or the behavior of the respondent, and by observing we take the responses by ourselves and answer it according to our observation. So this is all about the sources of data set and how we can define or fold the data set into different categories. So main sources are primary and secondary. Further, we can categorize them as in these four categories. So this is all about the sources of data set. Thank you.